Oahu real estate market update for August 2024. In this video, I'll discuss the latest stats for the Oahu real estate market. Welcome back to Living in Honolulu, Hawaii. If you're new here, my name's Duke. I'm a real estate broker based in Honolulu, and on this channel, we explore real estate tips and strategies that help you make better decisions about buying, selling, or investing. First, I'll cover the market stats for single-family homes and condos. Then I'll share the local market info for each neighborhood. Before we dive in, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you have any questions about real estate, reach out to me. My contact info is in the description below. Stick around to the end where I'll share the price trends for the US across the board. For single-family homes, closed sales year-to-date were 1,631 homes sold, a 9% increase from 2023. For condos, closed sales are down 6% to 2,623 homes sold compared to last year. The single-family home median sales price in July was $1.1 million, which is a 5% increase compared to 2023. Condos are at $510,000, a 2% increase from last year. Single-family homes are now spending a median of 19 days on the market, 21% lower than last year, while condos are spending a median of 29 days, which is 38% higher than last year. New listings are currently at 2,262 single-family homes this month, which is a 13% increase compared to last year. For condos, new listings are now 4,373 condos this month, which is a 19% increase from last year. New listings for both single-family homes and condos have been increasing since December. For single-family homes, pending sales rose to 1,806 homes, 3% higher than last year. On the condo side, pending sales are at 2,835 homes in escrow, which is 5% lower than last year. Months of inventory for single-family homes has increased to 3.2 months, 23% higher than last year. Condo months of inventory also increased to 5.1 months, 82% higher than last year. Overall, supply appears to be on the uptrend. The number of active listings for single-family homes is now 722 homes, a 22% increase year-on-year. For condos, active listings increased to 1,867, a 61% increase year-on-year. Single-family homes active inventory has been increasing since December. Percentage of list price received is now 99% for single-family homes and 98% for condos. Single-family home sales were highest in the $1 million to $1.5 million price range, making up 36% of total closed sales. 99% of single-family home sales received full list price or more. Condos between $300,000 and $400,000 accounted for 18% of sales, which was the highest share of any price bracket. 98% of condos sold at list price or higher, which is less than 1% lower than last year. Overall, Oahu's real estate market is showing strong growth for single-family homes with a 9% increase in closed sales and a 5% rise in median sales price compared to last year. Meanwhile, the condo market faces challenges with a 6% decline in closed sales, though prices have edged up by 2%. And both single-family homes and condos are experiencing an increase in active listings and inventory levels. Now, let's look at the numbers for each neighborhood on Oahu year-to-date. Aina Haina-Kuliouou single-family home median price is now $1.75 million and is based on 44 closed sales. Days on market are now 13. For Moana Kakaako, most of the inventory consists of condos. Median condo price is now $724,000, which is 7% higher than last year. Days on market are 53 days. For downtown Nuuanu, median single-family home price is now $1.2 million. Days on market are 15 days. Condo prices are now $570,000, and days on market are 25 days. For the Ewa Plain, the single-family home median price is now $885,000, and days on market are 25 days. For condos, prices are now $685,000, 2% higher than last year. Days on market are 25 days. For Hawaii, single-family home prices increased to $1.7 million, which is 16% higher than last year. Days on market are 16 days. For condos, prices have decreased by 6% compared to last year, which is at $800,000, and 12 days on market. For Kailua, Waimanalo, single-family home median price is now $1.7 million, which is 7% higher than last year. Days on market are 12 days. For condos, median price is now $785,000, and days on market are 15 days. In Kalihi, Palama, single-family home prices are now $910,000, 2% higher than last year. Days on market are 23 days. On the condo side, median price is at $400,000, and days on market are 44 days. For Kaneohe, the single-family home median price is now $1.2 million, 6% higher than last year. Days on market are 13 days. For condos, the median price is now $750,000, and days on market are 17 days. For Kapahulu Diamond Head, the median single-family home price is $1.4 million, and days on market are 16 days. For condos, the median price has decreased to $640,000, and days on market are 15. For Makaha, Nanakuli, the median single-family home price is $665,000, and days on market are 35. Condo median price increased to $250,000, and days on market are 43. For Makakilo, the median single-family home price is $1 million, and days on market are 28 days. For condos, the median price is $570,000, 4% higher than last year. Days on market are 28 days. For Makiki, Moiliili, the median single-family home price is $1.6 million, 7% higher than last year. Days on market are 14. For condos, the median price is at $400,000, and days on market are 31. The Mililani median single-family home price is now $1.08 million. Days on market are 17. For condos, median price is at $515,000, and days on market are 25. The Moanalua Salt Lake median single-family home price increased to $1.2 million, which is 18% higher than last year, while days on market are 15 days. For condos, the median price is now $430,000, and days on market are 33. For the North Shore, the median single-family home price is at $1.4 million, and days on market are 33. For Wahiawa, the median single-family home price is $825,000, days on market are 19 days. For condos, the median price increased to $336,000, which is 4% higher than last year, and days on market are 12 days. The Waialae Kahala median single-family home price is $2.4 million, and days on market are 27 days. For condos, the median price is $587,000, and days on market are 48 days. For Waikiki condos, the median price is now $435,000, and days on market are 33 days. For Waipahu, the median single-family home price is $950,000, and days on market are 20 days. For condos, the median price is $530,000, and days on market are 20 days. For the Windward coast, the median single-family home price is $1 million, 13% lower than last year. Days on market are 35 days. For condos, the median price is $405,000, which is a 173% increase compared to last year, and days on market are 14 days. In this segment, we're breaking down the latest U.S. home price trends according to Zillow Home Value Index. Between June and July 2024, home prices rose by a modest 0.3%, a weaker increase than the historical average of 0.9% for this time of year. Year over year, home prices are up 2.8%, but that's down from 3.2% last month. The national housing market is seeing mixed signals. In the Gulf states like Texas and Florida, where inventory has surged above pre-pandemic levels, home prices are experiencing mild corrections. For example, Punta Gorda, Florida, saw a negative 0.9% price drop last month, with prices down 5.9% year over year. On the flip side, tighter markets like Milwaukee are holding up stronger. Last month, Milwaukee saw a 0.5% price increase, with prices up 5.4% year over year, proving that inventory levels are key in determining which way prices are headed in different regions. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the national real estate market. Alright guys, that's it for this month's market update. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, click the subscribe button, and the notification bell next to that. If you're ready to take the next step in making Oahu your home, reach out. Thank you so much for watching.